First thing to do is to change project dimensions by clicking this little monitor icon. Over here change to 1:1 Instagram and click OK. According to the social media management application buffer, these square video dimensions will increase average views and engagement for your Facebook and Instagram. Now just import your video into the media bin and drag it to the timeline. When this window pops up, just click Don't Change. As you can see, the video dimension is 16:9, so it has black bars on top and bottom. To fix this, click on the video clip and select Crop and Zoom. Over here choose the ratio to be 1:1. Now move this blue box around and make sure that you keep the important stuff inside. When you are done, click OK. Now if you play this video, you will see that the video is ready to be uploaded to Instagram or Facebook. And this is it, a quick way to make videos for Instagram and Facebook in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.